Where does the judge get legal instructions to give to the jury at the end of a trial? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Now, at the end of a trial, the judge will give the jury legal instructions, and he will tell them, listen, you must follow these instructions as I give it to you. Even if you don't agree with them, you cannot deviate from these instructions. The jury are the finders of fact, and they determine who's right and who's wrong. And then they have to apply those facts to the legal instructions that the judge gives. Now, where does the judge actually get these instructions to give to the jury? Well, there are two places the judge will get them from. Number one, that's something known as case law, common law, law that has been established over many, many years. A second place is something known as the PJI, known as the Pattern Jury Instructions. And what that means is that a group of scholars across New York and practicing attorneys have gotten together to fashion the most important key instructions for each individual type of case. The judge is supposed to tailor these legal instructions to specific cases and a specific fact pattern. So the law will be different for a medical malpractice case or for an accident case and different for a wrongful death case. You know, before the judge actually begins to give the instructions to the jury, he has a conference with the attorneys, and that's known as a charge conference. And during that conference, each attorney tells the judge what they believe the instructions should be. And now the judge will listen to argument, legal argument, in his chambers with a court reporter present. And now we have to present to the judge specific legal instructions on why we believe certain things should be given to the jury. The defense will also have an opportunity. And now the judge will make rulings of law on which arguments he's going to apply, which legal instructions he's going to apply. And after he has completed this conference, he's now going to go forward and now go into the courtroom. He's going to lock the courtroom door, or actually the court officer will do that. And now the reason for doing that is he doesn't want any interruptions. This is such an important part of the case. He wants the jury to truly understand the legal instructions that he's providing to them, and it usually takes about an hour to get all the instructions out. And once that happens, the courtroom door is now unlocked, and now the jury is told to go back into their room to begin deliberations. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the trial process. Nobody really talks about this, and I find it to be so important and critical that you learn about this before you ever get to the stage. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer you legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.